We never talk so much about strengthening our immunity as in the last days, right? So in today's video, we will show you an amazing natural tea recipe to strengthen your immune system and also give you some info on how to boost the tea's efficiency. To improve and strengthen our immunity, we need to take care of ourselves. We need to nourish ourselves with foods and drinks that stimulate our bodies and must avoid eating industrialized processed foods like junk and fried foods. It is also necessary to rest and sleep enough, exercise outdoors whenever possible, and also use essential oil diffusers, which show up a lot on our channel. But if you want extra help, we have a special recipe to show you. Learn how to make a tea using lemon, garlic, ginger, and turmeric to boost your immunity. Write down the ingredients: 13 small pieces turmeric root, fresh and organic, 6-inch piece ginger root, 1 garlic bulb, peeled and crushed, 2 lemons, organic, 3 cups water. Directions: peel the turmeric and ginger and grate or finely slice them. Boil the 3 cups of water and add the turmeric, ginger, and garlic. Turn off the heat and add the lemon juice. Cover and let it infuse for 15 minutes. Let it cool down. Drink 1 cup 3 times a day if possible. This tea is efficient against coughs, colds, fever, flu symptoms, sore throat, and also rebuilds the immunity and is a great anti-inflammatory. Make this tea and add to your diet foods that fight viral infections and diseases such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, seeds, spices, and microalgae. All these foods have important nutrients and other substances that can fight infections, phytochemicals, strengthening your immune system. Besides that, remember to drink plenty of water, coconut water, green tea, matcha, chamomile, and other teas that will help you stay hydrated. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.